Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I'm very much fine. Friends, today is Radha Ashtami or Durva Ashtami. Radha Ashtami is a Hindu holiday commemorating the birth anniversary of goddess Radhika. She is goddess Mahalakshmi as considered in some scriptures, but she is Hladini Shakti of Krishna and a separate goddess or Shakti in Vaishnava scriptures. On this day, she emerged from a lotus flower as the lover consort of the Lord Krishna. It is celebrated mainly by devotees of Krishna, especially with great fervor in her birthplace of Barsana on the Shukla Paksha Ashtami of the Bhadrapad month. In the Vishnu Kanda or Skanda Puran, it is mentioned that Lord Krishna had 16,000 friends called Gopi and Gopikas, out of which Radha was the most prominent one of the revered 108. Radharani was born on the 8th day Ashtami of the Shukla Paksha during the Bhadrapad month. She was found and picked up by the Rishban and Kirti from a pond in Barsana. Her eyes was closed since her birth and was opened for the first time when Sri Krishna appeared in front of her. Traditionally, followers of Gaudiya Vaishnavism observe Radha Ashtami Vrat or fast. Devotees will follow a half day fast on this day. Like Ekadashi, some devotees observe this fast for full day and some even without water. In ISKCON temples, Mahabhishek of Radha Rani is done on this day. Radha Ashtami is ceremoniously celebrated in the bridge area. On Radha Ashtami, Radha Krishna icons are traditionally dressed entirely in flowers. Additionally, Radha Ashtami is the only day in which devotees may receive darshan of Radha's feet. On all other days, they remain covered. Devotees will fast until noon and sing devotional songs in praise of the divine couple and their pastime. Then a feast is served, most often including the Radha Red, a spicy plum chutney. The mantras which are chanted on Radha Ashtami or ओम वृषभानुजाय विद्महे कृष्ण प्रियाय धीमहि तन्नो राधा प्रचोदयात् and Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Chanting the 108 names of Radha Krishna Stotra and doing puja is also good. Friends, today is Durva Ashtami also, and so if we do puja to Lord Ganesha with Durva, it is very good. And doing puja with Durva and Sinduram to Lord Ganesha is also very. Today I did Durva Puja of Lord Ganesha with offering garland of Durva to Lord Ganesha and chanting 108 names of Lord Ganesha with Durva grass. Friends, from Bhadrapada Shukla Paksha Ashtami, another vrat also starts, that is Mahalakshmi Vrat, which starts from Bhadrapada Ashtami Tithi or from the day of Ashtami. This is called Mahalakshmi Vrat. In 2020, it is observed from August 25th Tuesday to September 10th Thursday. It is a 16-day festival that starts on Shukla Paksha Ashtami in Bhadrapad month. The festival is celebrated for a period of 16 days. During this period, devotees observe fast and worship the goddess of wealth, fortune, prosperity and auspiciousness. Mahalakshmi, interestingly, Shukla Ashtami in Bhadrapada month celebrates the birth anniversary of Radha as Radha Ashtami. The Mahalakshmi Vrat festival starts on the same day when Durva Ashtami, wherein the Durva grass is worshipped. Goddess Mahalakshmi is the goddess of wealth, good fortune, prosperity, fertility, and auspiciousness. She is the divine consort of Lord Vishnu. It is said that the goddess Lakshmi emerged from the ocean during the churning of the ocean and then selected Lord Vishnu as her husband. Goddess Mahalakshmi accompanied Lord Vishnu during many of his incarnations on earth as Sita, and Radha to accompany Lord Vishnu during his incarnation as Lord Rama and Lord Krishna respectively. Goddess Mahalakshmi is also known as many other names such as Shri, Padma, among other names. Shri, one of the names of Goddess Mahalakshmi, is widely used as an auspicious symbol which evokes grace and abundance. Goddess Mahalakshmi is often depicted with four hands, sitting or standing on a lotus. Goddess Lakshmi is depicted as extremely beautiful with two of her hands holding lotus flowers or kalash and other two offering blessings of fortune as gold coins and depicting mudra or posture of benediction or blessing. Also, Goddess Mahalakshmi rides an owl. Bhagavad Purana, the Mahabharata, and Vishnu Purana describe the birth of Mahalakshmi during Samudra Manthan, one of the most glorified episodes in the Bhagavad Purana in the Vedas. Once the king of heaven Indra received a garland by Durvasa Muni, who received it from Shiva. Indra placed the garland on the trunk of his elephant and then threw it away. An angry Durvasa Muni cursed Indra and all the gods of the Swarga, and all the gods will lose their opulence. Soon the opportunist demons started attacking the gods. As a result, they quickly approached Lord Vishnu, who asked them to join hands with the demons for churning the ocean, which would produce Amrita, an elixir or the nectar of immortality. Mount Manthara became the churning rod, and Vasuki assumed the role of the churning rope. Soon the churning started in a while the mount began to sink. Lord Vishnu assumed the divine marvelous form of Lord Kurma, supported thus sinking the mount. During the churning process, a number of valuables like precious gemstones, golds, etc., the gods took those items. When the deadliest poison Halahala emerged, Lord Shiva consumed it to save the universe. After the world was saved, the goddess and the beautiful Apsara emerged, alluring both the gods and the demons. One of the goddess was Goddess Lakshmi, who accepted Lord Vishnu as her divine consort. Celebrate how to do Mahalakshmi Vrat. It is the best period of 16 days of worshipping and meditating on Goddess Lakshmi. You may visit a Lakshmi temple and offer prayers there. You can also worship her at your home in the morning. The idol of Lord Goddess Lakshmi should be worshipped with lotus roses and fruits and dhoop. One can fast and purify themselves. Note that the fasting starts 4 days after Ganesh Chaturthi and continues till the 8th day of Pitru Paksha. During the fast, you may have fruits and a meal once a day. Lakshmi yantras are the best spiritual items you can use to attract the gods' grace of the goddess. You may meditate on Goddess Lakshmi and chant her seed mantra, Om Aim Hrim Shreem Lakshmibhyo Namaha. Oh, you can also chant Lakshmi mantra on lotus seed mala. You can wear a 7-mukhi Rudraksh beads as it is ruled by Goddess Lakshmi. Wearing these Rudraksh beads on this day purifies your inner self and strengthens your power as well as attracts financial opportunities. Friends, for this fast, those who cannot fast for 16 days, they can fast for the first day and then the last day. Friends, I have started doing 16 Diya Mahalakshmi Vrat from today. That is, every day lighting a diya. That is, first day 1 diya, second day 2 diyas, and third day 3 diyas. Like this for 16 days. I have uploaded a video about the 16 Diya Mahalakshmi Puja before. I will give you the description of the puja video in the description box. Friends, during these 16 days, if we do puja to Goddess Lakshmi with lotus seeds and chanting the 108 names, it is very good. Friends, this is today's video. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Those viewers who are watching my channel for the first time, please don't forget to press the bell button to get my video notifications. Thank you very much.
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं शबरी के जैसे